if you're looking for a different way to get in or out of Sydney.
I have found the next upgrade after the caravan. We're going to go and we're going to upgrade to that.
That big thing.
Have a look at the difference there. So it's a bit of an issue there.
You cannot make this shoot up, honestly.
So today we're driving on what feels like a forgotten highway that leads you directly into one of Australia's major cities. Like looking out the window, you'd think you're out in the middle of the bush, like we're surrounded by rock walls, massive forests. There is nothing in sight. But this road, Putty Road, leads us straight into Sydney. So heading into Sydney for pretty much one of the only reasons we want to go in there, and that's to go into Trucks and Toys in Windsor and get some more modifications on this big beast here. So we'll mosey on in there, drop the van off to a caravan park nearby, give them the keys. Not many people get access to the keys to this car, but I trust those guys. They've done everything on this car. Every major modification's been done by them. So if you need anything done, get into these guys just like we are. So we'll go on in, drop the car off and wait till she's done. So Putty Road goes pretty much between Singleton and Windsor, and there's not a lot on the road along the way, but it's such a beautiful drive, really nice winding road. The motorbike riders love it, they can go flying through there. But yeah, if you're looking for a different way to get in or out of Sydney, I'd reckon give this one a go. It's not that far out of the way as opposed to the main motorway. Just head inland a bit around Mount Thorley and keep going, go through Milbrodale, and what we've pulled up at a place right now called Grey Gum Café. So it's a free camping spot. They've got a cafe over there which opens at 8 o'clock, and I think it goes till 2 sort of thing. But yeah, sick little spot. You're in the middle of nowhere. I'll chuck the drone up and just show you. Like, it's hard to think that we're only an hour from Windsor, so an hour from Sydney, and it just feels like you're in the absolute middle of nowhere. I don't know about you guys, but when I think of Sydney, I just think of traffic, high blood pressure, really built up areas that are hard to drive around in. So coming down this way is actually a really nice breath of fresh air. It just reminds you of all the beautiful scenery and all the rocky outcrops around Sydney on the way in. Like, it's such a beautiful drive through here, and like seeing all the rivers and everything, it's just a whole nother aspect of Sydney. So if you haven't come this way before, highly recommend it. It just is almost like what it used to be driving into Sydney. All right, today's the day. So, a bit of a strange one. This is going to be the first time we've been without the Ram since we've been on the road. So, we're a bit lost. There goes my beer fridge. I've had to move a heap of stuff into the fridge in the van, which there wasn't a lot of room in there already. It's the kennel for the dogs. They sleep in this, and now they're sleeping in the van with us. So, it's going to be an interesting one. But we'll go and drop it off, get the stuff done, and get into it. So here's something you won't see very often, and I haven't seen for a while. Her behind the driver's seat. Watch out, Sydney. It is a scary experience. She's forgotten what to do behind the wheel.
No, well, I'm usually the passenger princess, because the Ram you have to have a LR license at least, and I don't have one of those. So I just get to relax.
So right, we're going to the pub every day today, going for lunch, dinner.
Every day today, this week?
This week, yeah. Because I don't have to drive
Deso
now.
driver,
Time to make up for all the times where I've had to drive. So obviously we've got our loan car from Trucks and Toys.
Moved the dog bed into the caravan, and they snore and fart.
They fart
really
so bad. It's shocking.
So this week's going to be fun.
Yeah.
Move the clubs in.
Yeah.
But no, it'll be good. We're very excited to see what the
can't
boys
wait.
pull together at Trucks and Toys. So
Yeah, they do such a good job, and I've wanted to get some mods done for a while, so
It'll be good.
I'm so bloody excited.
I'm excited.
Yeah.
But yeah, my turn to drive around for a bit, and of all places, I get to practice in Sydney.
Bloody oath. This will make her appreciate me more.
Oh God. Okay, stay safe.
Yeah, watch out. If you see her coming in this thing, get out of the way.
What's that?
A barramundi. A barramundi. Like barramundi.
Yeah, remember?
Oh, barramundi. Barramundi. Yay! Where is it? I'm getting big bunnies.
Big barramundis.
Yep. They got it. Do you see it? Mom, don't go through there. There's a club.
Got him.
Got him. Daddy, you gotta hear me.
Yoo-hoo!
Show us your new toys, guys. Sharks and penguins. What was your favourite part of the aquarium?
When we went to that like wave tunnel.
Oh yeah?
I liked the penguins.
Penguins?
Oh yeah, me too. I liked under the water where the sharks were.
Yeah, that was pretty cool.
I liked the penguins. I liked the penguins.
Yeah, actually a really good day out to come in, go to the aquarium, check it out. It's a really, really good spot for the kids. They were so excited. They had an absolute ball. Now we're going to jump back on the train, go see some friends and head back to the van. So we're back at the van now. We brought the Metro home, which if you haven't done that before, it's pretty cool. There's no driver, so you can walk up to the front of the train and there's a window at the front where you can just look at the tracks as you drive forward, which is pretty interesting. The kids had a great time watching that. We're back at the van. Ash is going to take the kids for a bath, a bit of a shower at the caravan park we're at. I'm doing a bit of washing up and cleaning up the van while she's doing that, and doggos are just lazing around in the van as per usual. And it's been a big day, so we're all a bit knackered. We're going to bed. So the Ramsey's still getting some work done, so thought I'd get the boat out, get it all cleaned up, ready to go back on the roof, so it's all looking schmick. So we're going to use Salty Captain's Aluminium Cleaner. Chuck that on, try and get rid of some of this build up on the side and get it looking nice and fresh again. So we're only going to mix it up nice and light so it doesn't hurt the grass. Wash it all off afterwards and neutralise it all so the grass stays nice and green and looking beautiful. So mix it up and we'll get into it, see what it does. Alright, so I've done a couple of coats on the back. Like I said, this is super light, hardly any acid in it at all. And I've gone from this colour on this side to that. Have a look at the difference from one side to the other. It's amazing. Hardly any work either. Awesome. All right, done half. Have a go at this. Have a look at the difference there. That's amazing. So we've got a bit of an issue. The car's still in Trucks and Toys getting work done to it. It's not ready to go yet. And we didn't book enough nights at the caravan park. So now we have to move because they're fully booked out. They found us another spot right at the back. But the one we're at now, we can't stay in. And all we have is this little toy. So somehow got to make this thing tow their massive van and not destroy everything. So it should be interesting. And then we have to tow the boat separately and come back and probably do like 3 trips because this car's just not big enough to take all our gear. So it should be interesting. Isn't it great?
So I remember when we were raising our kids when they were small, and someone said a saying that you can tell how stressed someone is by the state of their environment and how they're presenting themselves. Well, no face today, have had half an hour to pack everything down from just living in it all week. So state of the home is a disgrace. Everything's just been chucked in, washing off the line, the whole shebang. And now we're hooking up with this.
This just feels so wrong. Have a look. Look at the car and the van. Something this big should not be.
Anyway. Exactly what you want to do on a Friday morning. Good to go?
No, let's do it. G'day guys, I'm here with Jacob from Trucks and Toys, and he's going to run us through everything we've done on the Ram today, and it looks bloody amazing.
Hey guys, how you going? So this time around, previously we did a few extras to this truck, but now I've made it even better. So around the front, first thing you'll see is the Baja driving lights. So this is the bolt-on Baja light pod. Works really well, gives you spread to the side, direct driving light in the front. Big thing to this truck is the hidden winch. So the beauty of this thing, hidden winch, is you don't need a bull bar. It looks clean and classy, bolts directly behind the rear bar.
So the thing I like about that is you guys made it yourselves.
Correct. So
You can only get that here.
correct. So it's all fabricated in Australia, in Sydney here. So it's all 5mm steel, all CNC design. It works really well.
Yeah, it looks smooth.
Around the side, big thing to this truck, which has made it look totally like a new vehicle.
Yeah,
So
absolutely.
37s with methods.
Gone bigger. Go bigger, go
bigger,
home.
exactly.
Yeah.
So 37s on a new method raised wheel, looks really good. So they're a 20x9, all black.
And they're the brand new range.
Brand new,
protected.
so brand new. So I think this will be one of our first sets of
Yeah,
finish
I
one of these.
I love being the first.
Yep. Around the side, another big change, electric side steps.
I love it. Look at these things. It's so good. It just makes the car look so much higher
It does.
because it tucks away.
Yeah,
It looks like a truck with 4 inch in it.
Correct, exactly. Beauty of these, also got the courtesy lights, so when you're getting it out of the night time. Another big thing to this truck is we previously fitted the Carly suspension. What we've done since we've seen it last, it's now got a canopy and a boat ladder. We've retuned the shocks to suit the vehicle's weight.
So it won't float around like a boat. And
It'll drive like a new vehicle again. So.
no, that's awesome. The truck looks so bloody good. I'm so excited.
Oh,
Thank you so
it's
much,
unreal.
guys.
So-
Like, that is just the best thing ever.
You cannot make this shit up, honestly. So we've just picked up the rig from Trucks and Toys, got our car back. It's already 10:30, so we're already half an hour over when we should have been out of here. And we just got back to the caravan, and what did you forget, darling?
I may have left the caravan key on the keys to the hire car.
Yeah. Yes, you did.
I'm pretty sure the spare's locked in the caravan too.
Yes. Yes, it is.
So, the car looks really good.
Wow. This caravan park is going to hate us. Anyway, let's go get the keys. Amateurs. Yeah. Yeah, we do need the key. Guess where it is?
Where?
Back at Trucks and Toys.